That's our house. Yes, that's our house. My Charles, Mama, Papa, my sister's husband, my mama's store, Terence, Grace eldest, Tiara, Grace youngest, Antoinette, Daisy's daughter, Daisy, Daisy's husband, Teresa, Kenzo. This is Kenzo. This is...
Mamaya, bibili pa.
Ha? Bakit? Wala ka ng pera? Kawawa ka naman. Wala ka ng chicherya. Gawa ni Kuya Terence. O, ayan ang gagawin ko. Ay, sasabayin ko kay Kuya Terence. Bigyan ka. Kuya Terence, pakagat.
Gagasan nyo api yan, ha? Api. Gagasan mo yan.
Gagahasain ko mamaya.
Hotdog.
Alin? Abby.
Hotdog.
And they are fixing our electricity because it got shorted yesterday. We don't have power. We don't have power, but only a kilikili power. Look at that. Can I see that? Yeah. Oh, yung puti ng kilikili niya. Sana all. White kilikili. Ano isang pula? He's an electrician who fix our electricity. That's our house. Yes, that's our house. And this is my nail. Yeah, we need to fix my nail. Oh, Kuya Raj, thank you for the watch. And by the way, I am using this cell phone. This phone is from Rick. I'm trying to use it on video. Okay, igagala ko kayo surround. This is surround. Ano daw? Igagala ko kayo sa ano. This is our old water pump. This is the backyard. We had a mango tree. This is my dog. Welcome. Welcome. Okay. So we have here so many dalandan. And this is my ampon, my adopted dog, si Dog. That's Dog. So this is where I live, everyone. This is where I live. Abi? Abi pangit?
Libre pag sa bagal kumilaw, kanina kanya pang yan.
Lumakad Mama. Sponsor ng? Sponsor ng? Pinto. Sponsor ng Pinto.
Door. I need door in
Daisy is super ganda. And Antoinette,
may internet ka?
wala.
Tanga, live lang.
Hindi. And Crystal, ang pogi.